Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Kyocera FS-1040 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. It is a very easy and simple process. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download the printer driver. Go to the any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, type in a search type Kyocera FS-1040 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard and go to the Kyocera official website. Here we find many website. In this case, this is the official website, but go to this website where we find product support and download Kyocera. It is also website, so official website of the Kyocera printer. Here we find support option. Open that link from this all search list. Okay, and our download options are appear, accept all or the accept only essential cookies. Okay, don't worry about that. Here we find Kyocera official website. Scroll down and here we find our printer name FS1040. Here we find our language. Sometime driver is at this point. Okay, now go to the directly goes to the drivers. Click on this drivers option, select the drivers, and if your operating system is not select right, then click at here change and go to the here and select Windows 10 32-bit or 64-bit from this list. Okay, after that here we find the drivers. Okay, here we find the drivers. Click on this download button and it's asked for the accept and continue. Click on accept and continue and download is started on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to complete this download process on our PC or laptop. It takes few seconds depending on the speed of our internet, so be patient and wait for a few seconds. After that, here we find our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on the show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file or the printer driver file or the zip file. This is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is also easy and simple. Right click on this zip file, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it is extracted. New folder is created on desktop. Double click on it and double click on it, and here we find our driver. If 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. And in this case, go to the here and here we find the drivers. Okay, close it. Next step is install that driver. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you find. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Hardix. Click on a Hardix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Double click on newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on unzip folder. Here we find one folder, double click on that folder. Here we find 32-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit. I go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Here we find 64-bit driver or the folder, double click on that folder. Here we find another folder, Vista and newer. Double click on this and here we find the one file. Select that file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find many printers. From this all printer list, find our printer Kyocera FS FS-1040. Find this printer from this list, select that printer, click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name, Kyocera FS-1040. Okay, and click on the next. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find Kyocera FS-1040, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.